Hey everybody, it's Neil, and what I have here is a huge bag of badge holders. So if you're having like employees and stuff, if you want to give them these badge holders, you can get a huge bag of them. I have no idea how many is in here, maybe 25 or 30. But here, this is what they look like. They are individually wrapped, and you can do this here. It looks like it comes with a key ring, so you could actually have it as a key. So if you have keys to places, you can do that. And it's got the little carabiner too that clips onto it. So how cool is that? So you can have the carabiner, clip it onto something, and then when you need the key, you get about, I don't know, about 2 feet worth of length, maybe 18 inches or 20 inches. But that's cool. So it's got that, and then it has the little clip here. So if you have a badge, you can just snap it through the little hole in the badge. And let's see how good this snap is. Wow, it's a hard snap to do, so that means it's going to be hard to undo. So yeah, so that's good. So it's got a good holding on that snap, very good. And you could also clip it onto your belt right there too. So a lot of options with this, and super cool. I could even take my laser engraver and engrave the name of the company right on there or something, or even on the metal, because the laser can do that. But this is really cool. I like it. Or even a sticker on there. It could say like get visitor and things like that for visitors to do that instead of having to pin things on. But I'm going to say this is nice. You get a huge bag of them. So very cool. Thumbs up for me.